Hello and welcome to Imply. My name is Gaurav Bhatnagar. I'm Solutions Architect at Imply. As a part of Imply Professional Services team, I help customers in building low latency, advanced analytics systems using Imply products. In this video, we are going to learn how to load data from Kafka. As you can see in Imply Cloud, we do have many options to import data into Imply cluster. Some of them belong to real-time ingestion, Apache Kafka, Amazon Kinesis, and others which are purely used for batch data load, like Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, HDFS, HTTP, and local disk. Reindexing from Druid is used when we want to reindex or reingest the data from Druid within Druid. We are going to set up real-time ingestion using Apache Kafka. We have some requirements before we go ahead and set up a real-time ingestion task. We need to know our bootstrap servers and the port and the Kafka topic name. And also we need to have access to the unified console in the cloud. So now let's go ahead and set up our real-time ingestion using Kafka. Let's click on Manage Data. Click on Load Data. Click on Start New Spec. Click on Apache Kafka. Click on Connect. My Kafka cluster's bootstrap server IP and the port number is typed here. I also need to provide the topic name. After typing the topic name, click on Apply. As you can see, Unified Console has read some sample data. Click on Parse Data. Click on Parse Time. Here you can see that the time column is automatically mapped to a time column in our dataset. Click on Transform. Click on Filter. Click on Configure Schema. Here you can configure rollup true or false. In our case, we are going to disable rollup. So let's uncheck this flag. Now click on Partition. Provide segment granularity. In our case, we are going to keep the default segment granularity as hour. Click on Tune. On this page, we have to provide if we are going to use earlier offset or not. In our case, we are going to use earlier offset. So let's click on True. Let's keep all the other options default and click on Publish. Let's change the data source name from Wikipedia to Wikipedia Real Time. And let's leave all the default options as is. Click on Edit Spec. This is your ingestion spec. Click on Submit. As you can see, after clicking on Submit, we can see our data source supervisor spec is already created. It is currently in a pending state. Let's refresh. As you can see now, our supervisor is running. Now, after refreshing the bottom screen, we can see a real-time task is created. The task type is index Kafka. Data source name is Wikipedia Real Time. And the task status is running. Now, we will click on Query. And we can see our real-time data source is already created here. Wikipedia Real Time. Now let's go ahead and run a select query against this newly created data source. As you can see, now we can start querying the data. For a real-time data source, data is available as soon as the real-time ingestion starts. This ends our demo. Hope you like it. Please stay in touch and have a nice day. Thank you.